You'll hear this a lot, the word why. If you know your why as a person or as a business, you're gonna have the strategy, you're gonna have a aligned vision and strategy.
Ito ba yan hopi bong? Bita truly humbled i ture gente nang kai abing ture participante nang speakers nante ota bata amazing Jennifer van der Biese amazing pahabiele nos host Larissa tambe amazing job e panel mitayando messages e panel ta gewoon great die wak maar een groep mas young of een groep ko eigenlijk nunca no bij een panel ainda paduna nam perspectiva di business e con nanta surviving e thriving den business awo ku propósito como nang meta payega mas leo den carriera di business.
What are the trademarks that you might have perceived, noticed from the Aruban community in particular?
Yeah. Well, as you know, I love being here, and this is my third visit. And one of the things that I find really inspiring about the Aruban people is I just sense this energy and hunger, especially in the younger generation, for change. And it's like it's an impatience. It's a let's go, let's do this. And as I've been traveling, I've seen lots of different countries around the world. I just feel like there's an opportunity here on this island to do something quite remarkable, actually. Really looking at some of the bigger challenges that are facing everyone on this planet. Because it's an island nation. It has 120,000 people, and it's possible to do quite amazing change at that scale. And so I think that's why I'm really interested in coming here and learning more and being able to contribute how I can.
Advocate for rest and your purpose. How do you actually, literally achieve that?
Well, just like we prioritize having meetings and doing work and filling out spreadsheets and taking meetings, we also need to prioritize having restful times. We need to prioritize and understand how when we invest in downtime, we're actually increasing our potency in the uptime. And that balance is essential. It's a lesson that I learnt, and I went through burnout myself and understood that if I can work in those restful periods, hence my no meeting Friday rule, and I can do that in my industry, I'm more efficient, I'm more effective, I get more done. So I understood the productivity that comes with rest.
The one change that you would like to see on the island?
I think that as an island, as you know, you're really reliant on tourism as a part of the economy, which has been so well-serving for the economy and will continue to do so. I feel like you have such an enormous amount of talent on the island that sparking entrepreneurship to be able to diversify the economy, to be able to create more exports off this island would be where I would start. But that's also my background. I'm an entrepreneur, so I understand that side of things. I just feel like there's an incredible opportunity here to be able to do that.
I am peace. I am free. I am me. Awesome.
Bom, nós que o evento aqui cresce seguro e aqui eigenlijk nós tem tem evento mais que vai vir nós vamos anunciar na final do evento aqui. Met buiten in november nós tem outro speaker internacional geboekt cabo começar bem essa aqui nós fazemos para switch e assim evento mais que buiten de nos corporate event na november dus ideia tá para propósito ou purpose, há attraction e para que da bem mais dilante tem mais evento na de ATIA e hopefully tem outro evento na companhia não também. Dus more events, for sure. Se nós passamos aqui tour nós temos vai papia erover para wak of fazer maneira women leadership cada 2 anos, a melhor preferar tour já tem mais traction, pero nós eu conta vai com a organização, tá? Hope trabalho para organizar, pero não trabalho hope satisfeito para